Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about income taxes in the United States, and I'm going to be showing you how each category breaks down. The first income tax you're going to pay is the federal income tax. That goes to things like paying for the military, or paying for salaries in Congress, or maybe paying for interstates. This is the big one. So if you see to the side of me, you have this bracket of how the income taxes are calculated. You see 0 to 9,700, 10%, 9,700 to 39,475, 12%. What a lot of people think is they'll think, okay, so I make $40,000 a year, so I would fall into the bracket between $39,000 and $84,000, so that means that I'm going to pay 22% tax on my full income. But that's not how it works. That would be a flat tax. So the way that the federal income taxes work is on a progressive system. So the first $9,700 that you make will be taxed at 10%, and then the next from $9,700 you made to the $39,474 you made, you would pay 12%. For this example, let's assume that you make $52,000 a year. So you would pay 10% on the first $9,700, and then you would have 12% on the next $29,775. That comes if you subtract $39,475 and you subtract $9,700. That bracket has $29,775 left. And then you still have $12,525 remaining of your $52,000, and you're going to pay that at the end. You've got 0 remaining, so you're going to pay 22% on that remaining $12,525. And if you come here to the next side, you're going to get the weighted average of all of that. So for $9,700, you paid 10%, so you paid $970 in taxes. And then on the next $29,775, you paid 12%. So that's $3,573 in taxes. And then on the last remaining $12,525, you paid 22% in taxes, which was $2,576. If you add all of these up, it comes out to $7,119. And if you divide that by how much you make a year, which was $52,000, you paid 13.69% tax. Now, you're probably thinking 13.69% tax is like really low, like from what I've seen and from what I'm paying, like I'm getting ripped off somewhere. But this is just one of the taxes you pay. I'm gonna get into the other two in a second. Okay, so next you have your FICA taxes. This is your Social Security tax and your Medicare tax. These are flat taxes that just goes a single percentage times however much you made. So your Medicare is 1.45% times 52,000 in the same example is $754. And your Social Security is 6.2%. So 6.2% times 52,000 is $3,224. Now, if we come to this slide, I have all of them pulled up. So you're going to pay $7,119 for your federal income tax. You're going to pay $3,224 for your Social Security tax. And you're going to pay $754 for your Medicare tax. So in total for that year, you paid $11,097 to the government. Now, if you divide $11,097 divided by $52,000, it comes out to 21.34% in paid income tax. Okay, so you might be thinking again, 21.34% is actually pretty low. I must be paying like way too much in taxes, or I didn't do something right. Well, this could be two things. The first thing would be you might be overpaying every single check in taxes. So that would be like if you file for your tax return at the end of the year and you get like a pretty sizable return, so you were overpaying in taxes. So if you take the money you got back on your return and then you took it back into these equations, the numbers should work out. And then the second thing is, if I come to this slide, these are the states that do and don't have state income tax. So the solid purple states here have no state income tax, and the gray ones do have state income tax. So most of them do have state income tax. So you need to see what state you're in and figure out how much your state income tax is, and it'll probably add several percentage points. Some states are a flat percentage, just like the Social Security and the Medicare tax, where it's a simple percentage multiplied by how much you make, and that's how much in taxes you're paying. And the other states are in a progressive system, just like the federal income taxes, where the first certain amount you make, you pay this percentage, and the next certain amount you make, you pay a higher percentage. So those are the two ways that your states will come up with their income taxes, or they'll have no income tax at all. A very interesting thing, if you look on this slide, so if you live in Washington, you could live on the border of Washington and Oregon, and you could live in Washington, pay no state income tax, and then you could do all your shopping in Oregon because Oregon has no state sales tax. So you could drive across the border, do all your shopping in Oregon, and have no state sales tax, and then drive back home in Washington where you work and have no state income tax. So that's a very interesting thing that if you ever have the opportunity to do that, there's plenty of other ways to write off taxes and avoid taxes, but that's just one thing I thought was really interesting when I read it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.